Hello, welcome back to the channel. Yet again, I've got myself another watch. To be fair, I've actually sold a watch and I've got this one. So one of my Zins did go up on the chopping block, so I thought I'll replace it with something and we're going to see what this looks like. Looks like it's been well packed. There we go. A bit there. Trying to slice myself with this. Okay, good. Here we go. Get rid of that. First things first, looks like it's been very well packed in there. Let's try and lift this out without getting the polystyrene everywhere, which is normally nigh on impossible. Okay, there we go. I think most of the polystyrene has stayed in the box. Okay, let's grab this down here. Now this is a watch I seen a few years ago and I thought I really wouldn't mind one of these, but literally never got around to getting. Slice it off there, that comes off okay. Okay, so we have a Oris. I've had a few Oris watches in my time, but mainly the F1 day-date divers. So let's have a look at this. Okay, part of a heritage range. And here we go. Should have paperwork down there. I'll check the paperwork afterwards, to be fair. I do like their boxes, the Oris ones. They do seem to be quite nice. Leave that there. And by this point, you probably have a good idea what I might have got. Anything in there? A bit more bubble wrap. Just tilt that camera a little bit to get a better view. Okay. Now, this watch is a couple of years old. But I still think quite stunning. Let's see. Wow, I like that. There we go. The Oris Diver 65. And this one, as you can see, is on the bracelet. Hopefully we've got some extra links in there because that is incredibly small. Yeah, all the extra links. That's good. So yeah, wow. That looks great. It's been a watch, I seen a few years ago when it was first released, and I thought to myself, it just looks great. It looks like a real vintage kind of theme to it going on, and it looks really good. And that sapphire crystal, just so cool. It looks pretty good actually. A few little tiny marks, nothing to worry about. But no, that crystal, that's where the money shot is on this one. It really is an impressive crystal. And that dial, it just looks stunning. Yeah, so far, really happy with that. Let's have a quick try and play with a bezel. That's okay, actually. I'd heard some reports, some reviews, and people saying the bezel isn't that good. It's a very light, very easy to turn bezel. But actually, it's got quite a nice feel to it. A little bit of back play, but I don't mind that. That's cool. No, so far, I have to say I like it. It does look really nice. I think on the bracelet, this watch just looks that a little bit better. For me anyway. I'm not saying I'll have it on the bracelet all the time. There's a likelihood I might actually, I know for a fact I'll try it on different leather straps or rubber straps even. But so far, I like that. It looks really, really good. Quick wrist check, by the way. I'm wearing a Ringmaster 300. But no, I think that watch is absolutely lovely. Really, really nice. Let's put it on the wrist, see how it looks. If I can get it on my wrist, I don't know if I can actually. No, I think it might be a bit too optimistic. I think the person, whoever has been wearing this before, has got very small wrists, or could possibly be a lady, I don't know. But no, I can't quite get that on my wrist at the moment. It's interesting that they've gone with pins with this, not actually screws, but that'll be fun in a bit. I'll get that all sized up and actually try it. But no, what do you guys think? Do you like this watch? Is this a watch you'd possibly purchase? But I must admit, I do like it. I like the feel of that big crown as well. That is really nice. Okay, anyway, that's my latest purchase. I will be doing a full review at some stage, but I've got a few reviews I do have to do. The problem is I've been somewhat busy as of late. So anyway, that's my latest purchase, the Oris 65 Diver on the bracelet. Again, all the best. Stay safe. If you haven't subscribed, please already do. Any comments, please feel free to get back to me. I'll try and get back to you ASAP. Again, all the best. Thanks, guys. Bye.